Did you know you can create an incredibly powerful liquid fertilizer from simple potatoes? This fertilizer will help build up your soil, boost microbial life, and provide essential nutrients for your plants. Making it at home is easy and affordable, and the results are magical for your garden. Let's dive into how you can make it and bring some new life to your garden. First, we'll need some potatoes. Grab around 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes and make sure they're clean. We're going to grind the potatoes, which will help release all the goodness from inside. You can use a grater, food processor, or any method that helps break them down into small pieces. After grinding the potatoes, add a tablespoon of sea salt. This is important because sea salt has trace minerals that will give an extra nutrient boost. Plus, it helps in breaking down the potato mixture, making it even more effective. Next, add an equal amount of compost to the mixture. The compost will not only contribute to the nutrients in the fertilizer, but will also help increase microbial activity. To prepare this mixture for soaking, use a cheesecloth or a similar fabric that allows water to flow in and out, but keeps the solid materials contained. Wrap up the potato, salt, and compost mixture in the cheesecloth, creating a pouch. Add a stone or other small weight inside the pouch to keep it submerged in the water later on. Now take about 10 liters of water. It's best to use non-chlorinated water because chlorine can kill the beneficial microbes we want to encourage. Once you have your water ready, place the pouch inside a container with the water. The container should be big enough to allow the pouch to move around freely, ensuring proper soaking and nutrient release. Close the container's lid loosely. You don't want it completely sealed because the mixture needs to breathe. If the lid is too tight, pressure can build up inside, causing problems. By leaving the lid loose, you let out any gases that may form during the fermentation process. Place the container in a partially shady area. You don't want the mixture to be exposed to direct sunlight, as that can overheat it. Keeping it in a spot with some shade helps the mixture ferment at a nice, steady pace. Let the mixture sit for about a week. During this time, the potato mixture will release nutrients into the water, while the fermentation process increases the beneficial microbes. These microbes are great for building soil health and providing nutrients to your plants. After 1 week, remove the pouch from the container. You'll see that the liquid has become dark, showing that it's now loaded with nutrients and beneficial organisms. Before using the fertilizer, you'll need to dilute it. It's strong stuff, so you don't want to apply it directly. Mix 1 part fertilizer with 10 parts water. For example, if you have 1 cup of fertilizer, you'll add it to 10 cups of water. This dilution ensures that your plants will get the benefits without being overwhelmed by the strength of the mixture. Apply the diluted fertilizer around the base of your plants or directly to the soil. It's perfect for all kinds of plants, whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs. You can use it about once a week or whenever you feel your plants need a little boost. This potato-based liquid fertilizer is easy to make and highly effective. It enriches the soil, boosts microbial life, and gives your plants the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Don't miss out on this amazing gardening trick. If you enjoyed learning about this, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow gardeners. There are many more tutorials, tips, and natural fertilizers waiting for you on our channel. So stay tuned.